And finally, only Musa and Nano, and I say, I could see Daddy Lumba, a catena chip crack, in fact, if no nabre, or bre, Lumba bre, or Drangazane, Udroes are much with Anoa, or better not soon. Lumba bre, and a cacata and a chip crack, a year natural, and I was a Bigscout, Nana Prempe. Or I can't say I'm a media no so. About for egg come my day, no. My man will not watch the amame. Ever comment section. How you Penyah broke media. Best was say need you. Over like keep video, not that one, but subscribe button, snap back the verification, no latest update, now back to the watch the amame. Ever comment section. Spencer Baswa. No one should for any biashe. It's that room by a and Ache. Oh, Ache somewhere August mu. July be August mu. And I passed that room who are trying to see. Am I called the 1 week celebration? You come by, 1 week no be air come because 1 week no on the nebulian meaning no or do a woman be BSC a court in same biamton 1 week no air crab na and penny for a titri any an internet or honomo. And watching we say a year no. I want to share at ever bontin date ever bontin say 6 December na and a court as I say a bum as a mamma I could just say what Eddie court as said Debbie. Or no quan person a year or you couldn't or no be me check kuna ewe ye na se honum e ma we no ya call back and forth but or could be honest I could go about team legal wife e ma no could be team legal wife any team side check what I say team odobrani now say nyina ko we enra after say Abusuapanin to park e ye no se share no omu call menhia esa call Kumasi High Court no court e release say there be omu e ye no nyina omu ye yere eti ometimi ayekuna amana ye eti Abusuapanin to park onko ye e ye no hye na say court and support no court and eternity. A general an opinion just say from Thursday no ebe nyina no any Friday be yes e no hye no e go so ahobon go so e cost na say decoration after time bia e nice but e no na e Friday dey be che next Saturday no ana e Daddy Lumba the sister bring poma e ko pie Accra High Court e na ho no court e the injunction e ko to e ni so.
Hallelujah.
It's going forward in a day and I ain't sharing anymore.
Oh, young animals see a bit me see daddy. Police investigation. I think I see daddy. I'm an
And yes, yeah, going forward, you better on cabin. My brother today, you should say, I told say, what didn't junction at all. You better on cabin. There are some media for them, and I said, she be able to go back to media too.
And we never can run this. The Lord God Almighty bless you.
From day one support to your side, and you did that once. Timon Pay my not be successful.
Jesus, no to me, I didn't know. When I'm way be a my. I dear be catch I say, I said that. And can you coupon? And come in, Munya or Dopa at the my. Yeah, by a mobile, you did create me the intimate. All say a near Cateris and Pacusu for Cateris. Yet him and Yankupon and could dear I hear the Yenisi Campo, Unyame, Wapoma, Edamas. Yeah.
Papa.
Papa. That time remember said that we were planning to park. I didn't kind I she be. Wafa canopy. To obi aka say and she be obese oye for a year. What didn't kind year because I dear betchen am ya year into honor there. She be BSC. I didn't obey hotel obeying high amana ho aduane bibia what didn't come for bibia ho ka awie. Edi se brempoma mo de injunction ekoto aye ni so na se edeka ebegu to park eso. Remember na court edinkan ama to park go ahead. Kumasi High Court edinkan ama to park go ahead say obetim aye aye no because of that no and ono oye aye no hyehyeye. It another koba say court edi injunction abetoso ehwa ana to park eso lawyers aye fa say oh my lord there be any dey mu a yesre mun say client no din kan boka enye ni 2 minute dey aye no Kumasi High Court ene ma na kwanya say obetim aye aye no hyehyeye ana oye wedin kan boka aye bibia awie it is amoka say mo the injunction ato so ade a entwa ye ntane ne kwata no mo ma ye 2 million Ghana cedis ansa na ye betia say na ebetwa yirim kura ye twam ema court ejina wo machi ema you know ye de beto team legal wife enim say bo dia banie 2 million it is kind of 20 billion old Ghana cedis manya ba de ya ne ye de betwam but manya ma de ya ye mam 2 hours eye no ebeto aso
They see and say, ye court anopa no. Na ye buatia. Ye san fresh second one. Na che say, omuhwemu a, e say asem ye san di bio. Nti edi ye no, ye fan omu say omu fa sika 2 million cedis emra. It scan 20 billion. Omu de no eba na ya just compensation. Ka ya bo bebrebe a ya bo no ho no. Na no so time da so 2 o'clock. It is the one to be 2 o'clock no 2:15 kura na. Emra na we. Jehwe na che say emra na awe omo anye scan amba. And yes Abusuapanin waye kwaye waye. Nti say ya no ye de dehye no ekọ wabre wada ho wabre nti esase ye de ne kọ na okọ home eni nti obia meka ho abusuafo ba bia obia ne adofo mo amote anopa de na amante anwumre de no eya sa na tie se ye de ama ye se ye nkoye nti Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium ye nyina ye kọ ho na akira no ya en bibia ne apeno krabe na che se ya ye no nti adofo nyina momra emejon ye doctors momejon ye lawyers police for soldier for market women and men obi biara lumba fan clubs omu nyina mon kan ho se ya mode do na mode do lumba no mumbeyi sa do no enkyere pepepe ene amam payinfo ahemfo nsoso mu betumi aba mu nyina mo mbeboa yen
Oma 2 hours ni duru ye team legal wife omo enya 2 million Ghana cedis ama ema na eye ne ebebas na eye ebebas no ena from enra no Biscout Nana Prempe of BigscoutMedia wakasa bebre minim de ntia on say asem be mo study Penyah blog media me jai update ma in a way say eye abusua asem enye me masem minti me je obi abusua asem betena me media so na da bia me kasa ho da bi enye masem but I was so surprised to see say anybody bi je asem no tawo mani ase omu na chichiri sebe kefo so abusua no ohani be say nana jebi BigscoutMedia mo obetiwa mo che ase omu je asem no se de sebe omu na ye lumba fiefo mpanimfo omu na lumba abusua no omu na da abusua omu na chichiri abusua no omu ne munyansa sene abusuafo mpanimfo ni nyina na mwanwa so obetimi je na abusua ho ji obi abusua ta na ni ase obi asem enfa ho je ta na ni ase twintwan babo so begina mu ye nti ase sesei ete no na ba se Accra High Court e ga say there was a penny to park e betuma ye ru ye hye no ana BigscoutMedia o start make it post be the first post and I say this can never happen to an Ewe family. Spiritual court go bring justice. This is one of the reasons why I love Ewe people. Only ka kire ya o kire mu say court no be say sana no. You know, bibi akoso kuntunu ase ene ma court ndi mirika be san but ade we ntimi nsi wo eve anwuna debdebe anwuna memwe ntimi nsi ora say we ntimi nsi ene o say make another post bi anu o kire on say eba asem nhia a distance itself from you know the share ni bibia omo emaye na so won otumfo ema o make that post na o kire mu say enyefe enhye nimonyam enhye no ba nimonyam ene ade say this whole eye no otumfo or maybe say o make another post on that and o say be kire mu o say make another post bi o be kire say I heard a guy being interviewed by Zion Felix saying Mama Yakota Sewa is in Ghana. Guys, that's a lie. Our mom is still in Germany. That's a mom in Germany. Akoya Sewa or Germany. If the court now you back and forth now to Germany. And I watch you kuna di human son. Ewa Ghana sa serious. And I for some posti. And e ba said that number yen e koso no. Baby I did that on the 10th number me that ni mo no. O ta posti ye. And I say boy. Kafra pa ko that post no. Justice A. Newton affair, and I said, this is definitely not befitting of Daddy Lumba. 10th na bebe de that no. Or this is definitely not befitting for Daddy Lumba. And no Anna Biscout ever try say, boy, Kafra, papa. What I say? Anna Biscout, SLB, ever say, let's put it on record. Daddy Lumba didn't have a state barrier. Also about me, played to mpanimfo senka obuma DL estate barrier ahina Biscout say ya want to records on krata so as a state barrier no enya maso Daddy Lumba we enya state barrier bia we enya anything called state barrier bia and so wa eno say we ki another post eno otwere say Daddy Lumba's 1 week celebration was far better than his barrier service. Aha le kofa asam ne baaye. O kire mu say, o he 1 week na omu ye na. Na o beto to eye ni hu. In fact, 1 week no e baaye. Na e self class na eye na omu ye no ene no. Eno, the post na Biscout e make ye no. E le go fa attack ni na baaye. Eno na comment section. Abusuana e sere kwa. Jocelyn e kire say, Ekra he is buried. Fio. Anna Joe ever kire say, yes, it's because of Akosia Sewa and Brimpoman sending the funeral to court. Or just say, 1 week no, e buy na efe na e kama esna ye na no crack. If we say, a year time, you know, Brimpoma and Akosia Sewa e dia self court. But 1 week, you know, obi anfa self na court. And you know, anybody crowd organize 1 week na Biscout elbow 1 week na e count for no. Abusuapanin to pack na and organize for that 1 week. Edi kire say enya court nse se be mu na ko betwa ya yie no ama na ye fe. Eno ha no bi ka kire no. Ese eye court nse na be mu no. Ana se hu za yie na anya fa eye court na mo de call ye no. Ana ma yie na anya fe. Ana obi so kire say pains all over. Lumba can rest now. He is always with Odobroni. What I say? Ana obi so kire say yes. Because that time, we didn't have Timakoya Sewa and Timodo Bruni, and there was a proper committee in place. I just okay, I know correct. Because okay, at that time, no. Now you need to be a friend of Tim legal wife. Any Timodo Bruni. It's not be everything was on point. I say the funeral committee, everything was properly arranged for the 1 week. Anything I might and who they own him. I know what I say. Hey! Bleeding belly by their post and comment she will tell you where they stand. Chill and take painkiller, you will be fine. Catch the best say, oh yeah, but I won't take painkiller. No better for bleeding and no shit. I don't know what I say. The absence of Odobroni and Lumba children may have affected the DL's transition. It's not about the size of the crowd, but about the presence of the right people, those who truly sympathize and are there to bid a final farewell. Forget about the rest. Tupac has done his best despite the challenges. I say, also, Abusuapanin Tupac, why not family? In fact, Nyame Ukraine, meme kura na asem na mfa me ho no. menya ya na kesi Lumba long time because na how and say say kono na nimguase ni be too much Asɛm ba akopɛ nipa ba akopɛ wu wa hye fridge mu more than 5 months there na yepe dey nko na yepe na say nimguase ya be too much menya kwana kesi Lumba dada I say I be try say please will that bring him back to life? People are bleeding you boy just eti wo ka say ye na anya kama no kama na dey Daddy Lumba beba nkwamu biamu anase dey I don't want to say why you wanted the funeral to be held in heaven yes that this can be say ye the cause or try him emu anase dey what I say just say when is him Biscout amount ni bi akeka kire no after so making personal with him say Biscout Daddy Lumba no 1 week no kama esne na you know enra no Biscout can say me say no enso beto asay no ema ene enso etoye edish we say Biscout or prophet and answer where day but interestingly enso etoye no ene that same instance no na ekoso omanebo ama enso say ne femfinam
Mama de besie bi emfase da merade papa eyi ase eno so na nye entokwa o na nye mansotwe o enso hwede emframa ne nsuo asai eyi nafa eno so mbeka sesai obeka se no me ana mansotwe nti de besie bi emfase da merade because eyi a esai memene da no nye Daddy Lumba nko ayi eyi a wo ma sheda wo ma hyehyɛ wo ma decoration nice one class sai na nti se Daddy Lumba ayi eti de besi be me fati da merade me blemu Abusuapanin pi na de besi bia ye me blemu ni bebre
but this Lumba it's only talk for less than 20 minutes bibia answer no enso nteye no ni sa to us so smoothly beautifully and perfectly asɛm no I don't take side, but the ede nyame say enyina wo ho ne say Daddy Lumba finally he can rest now. And the betima to us so atwe manso e wo court e ho de me Penyah mete enye masem. De na Lumba wale no de na wo ho enye me masem. Pa me amete he. Na me bote nyina say Lumba yibesie no because na nimgu ase ne ya be dawson. Yensie no na wonko ene yensie no kone ne ejapade no mo betwe ho ti abofle atwe ho kotokura mo amasem. Chire wadwe mame e wo conversation. Aha Penyah Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!